I really like this fireplace because it was very easy to create a build out of 2x4s and then set the fireplace inside. I also created a shiplap surround to make it look good, and the brackets that were on the side of the fireplace made it really easy to just attach it to my shiplap area, or you could attach it to any wood, and then when you put the glass on over top, it hides all of that area there that you were using for the screws. I cycled through the colors so you can kind of get an idea of some of the different colors that it comes in. I like that it has a touch screen, and also that you can set it so that it doesn't put out any heat. It just puts forth the image. Sometimes I don't need the heat here, and so it was great just to have the visual and enjoy it. It was very easy to install, has worked great for us, and I definitely recommend it.